Hello everyone. Happy November 15th. Today we celebrate recycling, clean out your fridge day, and the joy of fresh starts. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And, if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's America Recycles Day, a call to action for sustainability and smart choices. A great gift could be a reusable kitchen set, a recycling bin label kit, or a compost starter. What's your favorite eco-friendly habit? Let's green up the comments. Next, it's National Clean Out Your Fridge Day, a fresh excuse to declutter and reset your kitchen. A thoughtful gift could be fridge organizers, a food storage label set, or a magnetic meal planner. What's the weirdest thing you found in your fridge? Let's chill in the comments. Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Philanthropy Day, honoring generosity and the spirit of giving. A sweet gift could be a donation in someone's name, a volunteer starter kit, or a gratitude card set. Who's someone generous that inspires you? Let's celebrate them in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 11th to 15th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.